mong sale isala qadile ho bua ka nna mo coaching ele ya hae till today. How ya go page ya hae ya YouTube o tletse Gogo Maweni isale bua ka nna isale. But the minute ke tlo re hey wena o qela ho bua ka Gogo Maweni how we are rata o sugelana heng motho a nsugetse unprovoked phila bua ka nna njalo. There's something about njalo le khathale. No guys, oh emangkhanyani please do chill. Emangkhanyani please man, yo singaphela never.
Gogo Maweni did that live talking about how Gogo Skhotheni is always using her name on her podcast for clout and to trend you guys. She says that Skhotheni needs to stop talking about her. That's all she wants. Also said, doesn't she, Skhotheni, get tired of talking about her on that couch of hers on her YouTube channel, you guys? Now, after that live, which was done a day ago, Skhotheni finally decided to respond and basically drags Maweni to filth. And again, you guys, Skhotheni came for Gogo Maweni's looks, comparing her to WWE wrestler Mark Henry, you guys, which is something that I think is very low of her. She needs to come up with something better next time. That's just my opinion, you guys. Anyways, she posted on her Instagram stories and said this. Imagine a person who has less followers and views than you saying you talking about them to get more views. Joang Mahua. Anyways, Beyonce to Beyonce. Sangoma to Sangoma, Mtakati to Mtakati. Beyonce akalwe no Beyonce nina nifuna ukuchelwa njalo. She further went on and wrote, Abogogo one side, Tina, we are still young, bakwethu. Imagine a whole Beyonce afuna ukufana no Mark Henry. Amen. Now there you have it, guys. Gogo Maweni has not responded yet, but when she responds, hi, I'll keep you updated, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comments. Also like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll definitely keep you updated. Bye.